NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train. You deserve a revitalization at Mary Turner's Day Spa and Beauty Boutique. The staff will make sure you relax and rejuvenate with their high-quality products and services. They take pride to give you a tranquil environment. Mary Turner's Day Spa at 2539 Wilmington Road in Shannock Township. Call to book a spa appointment at 724-657-5156. That's 657-5156.
NewsWatch rolls on, giving you all the news and information you need. And here, this in, the governor signs House Bill 1511 into Act 109, leveling the playing field. Destination marketing organizations such as Visit Lawrence County thanked Tom Wolf for signing House Bill 1511 into law. Not known as Act 109 of 2018, legislative closes loopholes in the tax code to ensure fairness in hotel occupancy readmittance. The legislation was championed by Pennsylvania's Restaurant and Lodging Association and tourism industry. Sponsored by Representative Marquis Quinn from Bucks County, it requires that online travel companies remit occupancy tax based on the final price to the customer rather than lower wholesale rates negotiated by the online travel companies. And so the legislation levels the playing field in hotel rooms who employ hundreds and thousands of Pennsylvanians. Yeah, what they didn't tell you on that is that that portion of that money goes back to those organizations, destination marketing organizations. So by Tom Wolf increasing the taxes, those organizations get more money. Now, we're going to take this break, and we'll be back on NewsWatch right after these messages.